Hi, guys. So, we all know heavy metals are harmful. So, I was thinking, let's make some fishing weights that can't be harmful no matter what. How about we use some clay? Some local hand dug clay. We'll make some balls in different shapes. Anything we could use as a weight. And let's see what we can do with it. Right here, I'm running a fairly large wire through the center of each one to make room for a wire later. But these turned out pretty good. We have a few different shapes. I ran the wire through to begin with, get it ready to go. Let them dry for 2 weeks, and now we're going to fire them. I have other videos about the charcoal firing, but it's a lot of fun anyway. I'm just using a brick kiln. Something as simple as these fishing weights, you could probably get it to fire in many, many methods. Should be fairly simple. You shouldn't have much trouble. I made these bowls. I use them frequently anyway, so I use them to hold the weights. That way it would make it a little easier in the kiln. I am preheating them on the top to warm them up slowly. That way when we drop them in the kiln, it doesn't shock them and break them all. Pretty simple. Try this a few times. It's not that hard. It works pretty well. It's hard to see, but we buried everything totally in the charcoal. It's burnt down a little. It gets a little easier to heat. Once it reaches the peak heat, I do cover the top, and that helps hold the heat in and allow it to cool more slowly. They turned out pretty good. Now we just need to feed some wire through the holes we made with the thicker wire earlier, because the hole will get smaller as they fire. We take this smaller stainless wire and we're gonna just make a tie point for the weights. We rub these with some beeswax. They're kind of beautiful. I mean, they're only great for a bottom weight with a top hook, but they work good. Thanks for watching, guys.